What's going on, guys? Throws in a block back again. I had a viewer ask me a question about this headlight assembly. This is for a Buick Regal, my 2013 Buick Regal. And the question was, how do you get the projector out? So first thing you gotta do, heat up this lens, lamp assembly, put it in your oven, 250 degrees for about 20 minutes. So 15 to 20 minutes will get it warm enough for you to separate the lens from the housing. Once you've got that lens removed, you go in behind here and there are some clips that hold this plastic piece in. You remove this housing like so. Once you've got that out of the way, you have access to this. You'll see these little plastic tabs here, and there are 3 of those, and they're turned vertically. I'll show you on the assembled lamp. If you look on this one here, got the housing pulled back out of the way. You can see the location of that white fastener. There's 2 on the bottom, and then there's 1 up there at the top. Once you rotate those 90 degrees, you'll be able to take your projector assembly and remove it from the lamp. Now, there's a plug at the back of that projector right there. Let's get you a little pick or a flat blade screwdriver. Slide right down in there, and then you can get the projector assembly completely out. So that's how you get that out of there. So yeah, it's pretty extensive. You got to heat up the entire headlight, remove the lens, then once you get the lens out, there's 3 plastic fasteners around the perimeter of this, and then it slides out the front. So aside from cutting the headlight, that's the only way I know to get it out. Anyway, that's going to wrap up this video. It's a short one. How to remove the projector assembly from your headlight on your 2013 Buick Regal GS. Also applies to the Opel Insignia. And you probably can do this also on the facelift models, which is 2014. I'll put the years on the screen. My name is Erwin. This Throws in a Block. Thank you guys for watching this video. We'll see you next time.